Onan micro quiet 4000 generator. Had lots of issues. New carburetor, new oil change. There's the new carburetor. Got the new starter solenoid right there. Got the new fuel filter, fuel pump, new air filter in there. This thing was in bad shape. New starter that I'm gonna have to probably replace this later on. I have to drop it down again. But everything seems to be good. It's gonna go into that motorhome there pretty soon. But as soon as I'm done, almost done, about ready to start it. A lot of hard work. And I took it to the shop. They told me it was the carburetor, but this was the main problem, was right there, that solenoid. And then coming back from a camping trip, the starter went out on us. Oh, that was difficult. 105 degrees out. Not a happy trip coming home, that's for sure. But any of you guys have a problem when you start it shuts off, check your solenoid first. The shop I took it to told me it was a carburetor. They're dead wrong. And they wanted $1,900 something for it, for a new one. But got a lot of new parts. Starts and runs very smooth now. But as soon as I get the oil in, I'm going to start it again. Then you could hear it. See, the old solenoid, I was checking the power at the switch over here. That switch, it was very dim. It wasn't even getting 12 volts down there.